can connect like two iPhones to their streaming software and then make use of it. I'm going to teach you how you can do this very easy. So first, you want to install this software called Iron software, right? This is the Iron software. You can see right there. You want to have that installed on your phone and both your laptop at the same time. So let's say you want to connect two cameras. It depends. You can use a cable, you can use a wireless transmission. It's possible. So first, when you install this webcam, right, I'm about opening right now. When installing, it's going to ask you how many cameras that you want to install, right? I have like 2, 3 cameras on here, up to like 4, right? So here's how you do it. I already have one connected to my Android phone. Okay, so here is my system. You will note that I already have the two connected. I have one via my Wi-Fi, like wireless connection. I have the other one through cable. Okay, so what you want to do, if you want to connect wirelessly, make sure that the network on your phone and that of your computer is on the same network. Make sure they are connected to the same router or the same network, right? So once it's connected, you have no problem. You can wirelessly transmit your video to your laptop. So now that I've connected it to the Iron software, I have the two cameras on there now. You just have to come to your software and then you locate your camera, right? You're going to see Iron 1, Iron webcam 1, 2 to 4. It's a virtual camera at this point, so you're going to just add the two of them to it. I already added my first camera, and then you just go there and look for Iron web camera 2. Right? Okay, so I have the second one on here. So right here, now I can have the two camera feed inside of my streaming software. Whether be it OBS or vMix, you can get it the same way, just like I've taught you guys right now. So yeah, it's that simple. Once again, like I said, make sure your network, like the network your computer is connected to, is also the one that your phone is going to be connected to. If not, it's not going to work, except you are connecting via a cable, a USB cable. So yeah, that's basically how to, make this happen. I have my two cameras in here already. I hope this was helpful, and yeah, you've learned something. Do it to like, share, and drop your comments. Thank you guys for watching.